Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Wow, I be out here singing Who Wanna Play with TT, but in reality, it's Who Wanna Play with Nikki, the original Nikki, the Nickisha Pryce. Who wanna play with Nikki? She got the power. She can make them legs spray like 50. Come on, guys. Come on, trackies. Y'all see what my girl just dropped on the track? Did y'all see what she just dropped to win the 400-meter SEC outdoor title? Trackies, Nickisha Pryce comes out and takes the win, clocking 49.32 seconds. Big run. Bop, 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 bop to the slow bullet because track is the energy is a little bit low. But let me tell you something. I feel the same way. Amazing, amazing, amazing performance. So Nickisha Price, as I said, walked away with the win, running 49.32 seconds. I hope some of y'all remember me saying previously that this race was going to be between the Arkansas athletes, right? And Arkansas went 1, 2, 3. I'm talking about Kaylin Brown running 49.47 seconds and Amber Anning for third running 49.51 seconds. These are all personal best, all amazing runs. No, track is clearly for Nickisha Price. We are extremely happy seeing this performance because no Nickisha Price track is in the leagues with the best in the world in terms of competing for what we will hope will be a medal comparison in 2024. And it makes us very, very, very excited. At least me, I'm very, very excited. Now, when we put that time, 49.32 seconds in perspective, now I hope some of y'all remember yesterday when she was, well, this isn't yesterday, the day before yesterday, right? Hope y'all remember in her qualifying, she already ran a world leading time of 49.72 seconds. So that was the world leading time. And I was like, yes, Miguel, finally Jamaica is getting back below sub 50. You know, our times were looking bleak in the women's 400 meters. Not much hope when you talk about one, making a finals globally, and two, even medaling, right? And Nickisha Price in the space of, 24 hours have put Jamaica back in the runnings to be a global powerhouse. The last time Jamaica medaled in the 400-meter is the very own Sherika Jackson, right? And I'm going to get into again the perspective of this particular amazing run by Nickisha Price. So as I said, she dropped that, world lead the day prior, and then she came out in the finals and she lowered that world lead to 49.32 seconds. Now that time trackies ranks her as the third fastest NCAA athlete in history. Yes, in history, the third fastest performance ever. Absolutely amazing performance from Nickisha Price. But track is, it does not stop there. Nickisha Price's time ranks her as the tied second fastest Jamaican performer in history. Honestly, say, I don't know, like a peke time, Nickisha. Come out, come run. She come glide past the track, or on the track, or over the track. I don't know what she the track is, but she dismantled it. The track not exist no more. The track burn up. The track is gone. Right? That place has now been renamed to Nickisha Price Dead Zone because she took it down. Track is absolutely amazing. Now, as I said, this particular performance ties her for the second fastest Jamaican ever. Never did I think that little Nickisha Price. Now I'm calling her little because I swear when I look at her on screen, she looks super, super tiny. I don't know if in person she's much bigger because listen, I'm tiny as well. So maybe, she is much bigger in person. But I swear to you, never did I think in my wildest dreams that Nickisha Price would be coming out here and dropping a 49.32 seconds that ties her with the greatest last athlete that we had in the women's 400 meters, and that is Sherika Jackson, the last woman to get Jamaica multiple bronze medals on the global stage. Sherika Jackson is who Nickisha Price came out and tied with to become the second fastest Jamaican in history. Oh my God, I'm overcome with emotions. I still am in disbelief by how amazing Nickisha Pryce is. As I said, who want to play with Nikki? She got the power. Those legs, I'm telling you, super smooth, buttery. Now, this particular performance ranks her against second, and this is behind the leading athlete for Jamaica, Lorraine Fenton, which is just 2/100th of a second, trackies, outside what Nickisha Pryce ran, 49.30 seconds. So again, Nickisha Pryce is in second, tied with Sharika, 49.32 seconds. And Lorraine Fenton, the greatest athlete that Jamaica has ever had from a 400-meter perspective based on times, has gone 49.30 seconds. Nickisha Pryce is literally within a touching distance. Just one little sneeze. If she sneezed and push out her chest a little further, she would have did met that time, yeah. Right? If when she was crossing the line, she sneezed. As a matter of fact, she slowed down when she was crossing the line. When she realized, she was winning, she let up. I'm telling you, if she had ran through that line, she'd have definitely become the fastest Jamaican in history over the 400-meter distance. Yes, little 23-year-old. Yes, Nickisha Pryce. She has arrived. She's our top girl. I've been speaking it into being. I said, look here, Nickisha Pryce is slowly but surely becoming Jamaica's best. Right now, she's Jamaica's second best, but in 2024, she is our best. No questions asked. She is our best. Congratulations to Nickisha Pryce. Wow, what a fantastic season she has been having so far. I'm talking about going to the SEC Indoor Championships and settling for a second. And I'm sure she probably didn't like finishing second behind, some of her younger teammates. But guess what? Here she comes at the SEC Outdoor Championships, clocking an amazing win. 49.32 seconds track is, and stop this. So, because guess what? This is just the SEC outdoor championships. We haven't gotten to the NCAA outdoor championship trackies. We not reach the Jamaican trials yet, trackies. We not reach Paris yet, trackies. How much further can Nickisha Pryce go for 2024, trackies? And let me just say something. As far as I'm concerned right now, her potential is unlimited. Me not put no time pan Nickisha Pryce. Me say, girl, go out there, go run. Go out there, go run. Go dismantle the field. Any performance we get, we take it and we're excited and we're happy and we are grateful. Trackies, amazing, amazing, amazing athlete that we're witnessing here. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go a step further and say, you know who she kind of reminds me of when she's running? I don't know if some of y'all looked at it and peeped it. She kind of reminds me of Salwa Eid Nasser, the same type of slight frame track is. Don't get me wrong, slightly different running styles because I don't know something is going on with Nickisha Price's legs. They're, kind of bow-legged. You know what they say about bow-legged people, sexy running, you know what I mean? But anyway, she has that, particular running style, but she still gives me, some way, somehow, when I look at her, I'm getting Salwad Eid Nasa. And track is, when we think about an athlete like Salwa Eid Nasa with her slight frame that was able to take down a Shawnee Miller Weibo, that particular athlete track is to run one of the fastest times ever registered in history. Look here, when it comes to Nickisha Pryce, the skies is, well, I don't know if they're skies. The sky is the limit. Literally, the sky is the limit when it comes to Nickisha Pryce. So again, congratulations to her and bow down to our new queen. She is now the queen of Jamaica's 400-meter sprinting. Who wants to play with Nikki? She has that power. She makes those legs pray like who? 50. All right, Chuckies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As usual, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.